Hello everyone and welcome. I am Victor, and in this video I am going to show you how to generate amazing images right on your Apple device using DiffusionBee. DiffusionBee is a user-friendly application that leverages the Stable Diffusion models to create images from text prompts. In this video, we will cover everything from downloading and installing the app, exploring its AI tools, importing models, and finally generating your first image. Let's start by downloading DiffusionBee. Open your web browser and head over to the official DiffusionBee website where you will find the download link for macOS right on the home page. Click on the download for macOS button. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your download folder. Double-click on the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, drag the DiffusionBee icon to application folder. If your Mac shows a security warning, click open and proceed, as the app is safe and trusted to use. Now that DiffusionBee is installed, open the app. You'll see the home page displaying all the available AI tools. You can choose from tools like text to image, image to image, AI canvas, illusion generation, inpainting, upscaler, and so on. Please note that aside Stable Diffusion models, you can also install Flux models on DiffusionBee. Let's explore text to image too. Since this is your first time of using DiffusionBee, you will need to download a model. Go to the model screen to download a model from the provided list. You can also import any Stable Diffusion based model from your device or even directly from the Hugging Face repository by clicking the menu and selecting Import Models. Let's continue with the text to image tools. You will find the prompt input box where you describe what you want the model to generate. There's also a negative prompt where you specify elements that you do not want in the final image. If you have multiple models installed, you can select the one that you prefer. By toggling the advanced option, you can customize how the image is generated. Here is a quick overview of some of the key settings. Resolution defines the aspect ratio or the dimension of the image that you wish to generate. The number of images that you wish to generate with a single prompt. A seed is a code that helps create and remember a specific AI-generated result. If left empty, a random seed will be used. Specifying a seed allows model to produce consistent results, ideal for creating recurring characters. Sampling rate or steps is the number of times the model refines the image during generation. More steps usually mean higher quality and more detail, though it takes longer. Fewer steps generate image more quickly, but the result might be less refined. Choose a style to set the look and feel of your image. If set to none, model determines the style based on your prompt. Sampling algorithm dictates how the model transforms random noise into a coherent image. Feel free to experiment with different options to see what works best for your need. Guidance scale or CFG scale. These settings control how closely the model follows your prompts. Higher number means the model follows your prompts closely. Lower number means giving the model creativity power. ControlNet allows you to guide image generation using additional inputs like line drawings or outline, which act as a blueprint for the final image. LORA stands for Low Rank Adaptation. It uses more efficient models to capture specific styles or concepts, letting you fine-tune the model for custom outputs without retraining the entire model. I'll include a link to some useful LoRa weights in the video description. Now that you're familiar with the UI and how DiffusionBee works, let's generate some images. I'll be using REAL VISxl XL model because of its high resolution capabilities. So let's input my prompts. I already have a list of negative prompts for generating realistic photos, so I'll just copy and paste that in negative box. The image generation process may take a few moments. The duration depends on your device VRAM and number of sampling steps that you choose. And here we have it. Our image has been generated. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you next time.